Governor Andy Beshear says for the first time in several days he hasn't had to call any county judges about positive cases for the coronavirus. 11 tests came back from the state lab today, none of which were positive. That's the good news, he says, but that doesn't mean the tide is turning. That begins the LEX 18 Big Story at 11.
This is social distancing in action. Chairs for reporters spread apart.
We have two duties, to try to protect ourselves and our families for not getting the coronavirus, but also not spreading the coronavirus, especially to those that are the most vulnerable.
And streaming live to thousands at home, the governor had a state employee demonstrate how to make an effective cleaner if you can't find disinfectant at the store.
Pour that 1 gallon of water into the container first, and we add the 1/3 cup of disinfectant bleach.
These are what news conferences look like amid mounting concerns over this new pandemic. Seems odd, but for at least the next month, they may be the new normal.
The next month is going to be critical. That's what all of the national health experts are saying, and how we respond to this in the next month, I believe, is going to determine how long we are dealing with it, but also how severe the impacts of the coronavirus are going to be here in Kentucky.
Governor Andy Beshear has made it clear there will be more disruptions to people's lives. Earlier today, he urged places of worship to cancel services this weekend. It's a decision he knew would not sit well with most, but it's one he felt needed to be made.
As I've served communion in my church, and I look out through that church, at least 1/3 of it falls into the most vulnerable population. Those are people I love and people I care about, and they're people that I want to protect.
Beshear added that he does not believe whether people go to church this weekend is a test of their faith. In Frankfort, Mike Valenti, LEX 18 News.
In reaction to the governor's request for churches to cancel services, Central Baptist Church in Winchester canceled service and activities this evening, but will be reevaluating their plan come Sunday. Other churches, like Tate's Creek Christian Church, have decided to wait to cancel, but they're taking extra safety precautions, such as using individually wrapped Eucharists and limiting contact. But they urge people who are sick to stay at home, and they'll be streaming the service.